Hello everyone, welcome back to Daddy and Doodles. Today we are going to draw a super cute frog prince. It's very easy and fun. So grab your markers and pencil and let's start drawing together. In the step 1 we are going to draw the head. So let's draw a big round oval circle. First we are going to draw its ears, then a small oval like shape, and then another big ear. So the upper part of the head is done. Now we are going to make a little wide shape, oval shape in the bottom of it, like this, going half of it, and like this, going half of it from here. So basically our head is done. Now we are going to make big eyes inside it. So draw a big circle like that on one side and try to be inside this circle, and another goes inside here like that. And don't worry if it is not circle, that's fine. And then draw another small circle inside this big circle, and same goes over here as well. Yes, and now we are going to make two smaller circles for the shine of the eyes, like this, much smaller circles. One goes here, one here, and one here. And same for this eye as well. One goes here, one here, and one here. Now we are going to draw its smiley face like that. Basically it's a U kind of shape. Now it's time to draw its crown. So we're gonna draw one line straight like that, then another, then another. We have to make a V shape. Yes, like that, and on top of it we have to draw small circles, 1, 2, and 3. So basically the crown is ready. Now it's time to draw its body. So one line like that, another line like that. Okay, now try to draw inverse U like that. One goes like that from on the left, and one same U goes over here as well. Okay, now we have to draw its feet. So 1, 2, and 3. So our feet is done. Now we're gonna draw its another feet like that and like that, and we just have to draw 3 U's like that, and then we're gonna cover it with like that. So our another feet is also done. Now we just have to draw same like the other one. 1U, 2U and 3, and now we have to draw a line from here. So here now we have to draw the last feet. So one goes from here, U, a bigger U, and from here. So all 4 legs are ready now. Now it's time to color its eyes. So I'm going to use this green color for its body. Now let's start it from its head. It is a parrot green color. So first of all we have to go all around its body with this color and try not to go outside the lines. If you go outside the lines, I still have one trick to cover that up, so don't worry about it. Yeah, slowly we're gonna have to color the whole body. Now I'm gonna speed up the color process for the body. It's time to give some details to the frog. So we're gonna use the darker shade of the green, this one, and now we're gonna give it small details like the smaller spots on his face with this green color. So it's gonna highlight its face like that, the smaller ones, the bigger ones, like that. Try and go random as much as you can. And some over here, it's on its cheek, the same over here on its cheek, some on its legs over here, some on its stomach, yeah, over here as well. Go random, it's not necessary to go in a line or follow me. You can go randomly and make the dots as and it is not necessary to follow the dots which I made. So you can go randomly and make how much the dots you want to make. Okay, now we are going to give a bit shadow at the bottom of its face. Don't worry if you go outside, I have a trick. So we're gonna make it look beautiful. Don't worry if you go out a bit. Okay, same goes over here as well. try to go a bit thicker here, here as well. So when we draw these lines for the shadow, it gives depth to the drawing or painting what we are doing, gives the realistic feel for the frog. So it's like that. Okay, now okay, this leg over here, I'll try to be at the bottom of it like that, and over here as well, be dark on these sides. Yes, somewhere here. Okay, now our frog coloring and detailing is done. Now we're gonna use the black marker, the thicker one, to border its lines. So this is the trick what I'm talking about. So you have to go slowly on the border of it. So if the color goes outside, this marker will going to cover up, so your drawing doesn't look bad. So this is the trick which I'm talking about. Yes, this is done. And when you do the border, try to go slowly. And follow along the lines which we already drawn earlier, so it will be easier for you as well. Okay, here you go. Now the upper part. Okay, now it's smile, and lastly the cone. I mean the crown. Okay. And we are done with our drawing, and you did an amazing job drawing with me today. If you enjoyed the drawing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun drawings. See you in the next Daddy and Doodle videos. Thank you. Bye for now.